this is the best video. I'm so glad you stopped by. You're not going to be sorry. This is information about becoming a member or maybe an affiliate. Maybe that's what you want to call it. So, hey, y'all, if you don't know me, my name's Tracy Hyde. I am your average, I'm going to say average 31 consultant. I'm a leader with 31, but I also happen to love Def Leppard. I'll bet you if you go back and look at my 200 and something videos, I'm going to guess a pretty big majority of them, I have some kind of Def Leppard t-shirt on. It's got to be a trivia. I'm going to have to go double check and see how many. Yeah. So maybe we are kindred spirits and you love Def Leppard too. And so you even more want to hear what I have to say. So let me get going. Okay. So what in the heck are you talking about, Tracy? A membership or affiliate program? Huh? Okay. So our website doesn't yet say those words. They still say consultant. But the truth of the matter is you can spend $50 and get this kit right here. A beautiful double zip crossbody, a gorgeous little slim wallet and wristlet, a canvas zipper pouch, and a large utility tote for $50. You'll get it all for $50. Look, this one right here, or buying this pair, you're going to spend more than that. Okay, so it's a fantastic deal. First of all. Second, when you snag up your $50 or your $150, I'm not going to play. This one's $150. It comes with all of these plus some. And I know that you can see there's some amazing items in there. A Voyager tote, essential storage tote. We all need one of those or many to get our groceries. There's a soft cooler insert for your large utility tote. This is great for road trips. Put your cold stuff right in the middle of this bad boy and pack around it with other treats or clothes or whatever. Our signature tote, which is amazing. This cute little organizer that'll fit in there and help keep it straight. All of the things, okay? So all of these things, $50, $150. And then you have 6 months to submit $200 in orders. And that can be from you. And it can be $200 in orders that is they're 40% off. So here's what I want you to think about. Listen, the really cool piece of it all is it's like joining Costco or Sam's, right? You pay your membership fee every year, right? And it's more than that. And all they give you is a card with your face on it, okay? But then you get to go in there and you get the membership pricing. When you snag up one of these two, you then get membership pricing on anything that we have. And our membership pricing is 40% off what's in the catalog. 40%. I mean, we're hitting close to 50, right? Close to half off. And you don't have to stop there. You can share. So this is the affiliate part of it. You can share a link. You can just share your website link. You don't have to set up parties. You don't have to go to people's houses. You don't have to do vendor events. You can just share a link. And then you make 25% of what anybody purchases from your website. And that way you also get a 5%, we call it a product credit that you can use later when you're utilizing your 40% off. Okay, so I know that this has got your head spinning because it had mine. I was like, what? What in the what? Are you kidding me? Why aren't people signing up for this? This is amazing. It's like going to Kohl's, your favorite place to shop. And I know you love 31, otherwise you wouldn't be here, right? But it's like going to your favorite place to shop and them telling you, hey, if you grab this from now until you're done shopping with us, you get 40% off. Do you spend $200 in 6 months with 31? I know lots of people who do. If you are one of those people, let me help you get a discount, okay? So I know you have more questions. I'm going to assume you have more questions because I would. So what questions do you have? In the first comment below, do me a favor. There's a link that says that you can message me. You can Facebook message me. Click on that link and come ask me questions. There's also a link that starts with, and it kind of looks like Linktree, okay? Click on that. There's a few links in that Linktree. It's just another page that has links to it. But there's one that says learn about becoming a consultant. Learn how to become a member. Learn how to get your membership / affiliate discount. Okay, so check those out. 31 is in the process of swapping over our the verbiage on our become a consultant page, because that's not always what it is. We have plenty of people who want to know more about they don't want to party, and it's okay, and that's all right. You can still snag some good deals and get a discount, and you don't have to party. It's such an exciting time to be a consultant right now. So exciting. And you can still bring people with you. Who do you know that would love a 40% discount on any and all things 31? Help them get signed up to get their discount too. I can help walk you through the whole thing, I promise. Okay, hopefully this brought you some value. If it did, give me a like, okay? Hit that thumbs up. I appreciate you. If the red subscribe button below if it's still red, click it. Click the button. Subscribe. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun together. And then share too. Share my this video or any other video with somebody that you think needs to hear what's going on in it. Okay, I appreciate you greatly. I hope once you've done all 3 of those things, and maybe you've messaged me and we've chatted a little bit, do me a favor and go watch another video. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.